Okay, we are going to create a mini lesson using the AI Gen feature. First thing we do is put the course in edit mode, and then we'll scroll down and we'll add a new mini lesson activity. The settings for the activity are just going to be the defaults. Just add the title, which is Rugby in Summer, and we'll set the target language to English. We'll leave it as English because that is the default, but you could use a different target language and it would automatically create the new activity in that language for learners of that language. Go to the AI Generate tab, and there are 4 options: a YouTube lesson, passage reading, word practice, and a YouTube finale lesson. We are going to use the passage reading because it's easiest for us to create here in the screencast. Okay, we'll set the CEFA level of the learner, and then above that we'll enter the topic of the article or story. In this case, it's Rugby in Summer. And we'll add a few keywords. The keywords, it actually does a pretty good job of creating a passage of text using the keywords and sticking to the topic and the level of the learner. So we'll add a few in there. We'll add a few outliers. We'll add uncertainty and fitness and hamburger. And that's going to create our lesson now. It takes a little time, 2 or 3 minutes, so we'll just skip forward. And the very last image is still creating. We're at 100% just till that image is created. The very last step is actually to import the created items. That's happened now. So we get to go and view what we've created. It takes a little time to load because of all the audio in the activity. Okay, and we have a nice picture for our story. We actually got an audio story, so we're going to listen to that. We can't hear the story here on the screencast, but just note that there is a very nice story there. And you can see it's even done a job of adding hamburgers to the activity. Okay, we'll go and have a look at the next activity, which is a passage gap fill. It's taken the keywords that we entered and made those into gaps the student has to fill in. We can manually go in now and add more gaps, or we could have configured it to add more keywords and more gaps. Basically, the lesson that's generated is really a starting point, and you should come in and do the things like add the extra gaps and change the timing of the audio that you want to do. This activity is a fluency activity, so the student should read rugby as a fun sport, and then the Poodll will tell you how well you read that. In that case, we read it pretty well. If we hadn't, we'd have red words and fewer stars. You can see the images it's created are matching the story and also matching the keywords that we gave it. This is a passage reading activity, and this is a free speaking activity. So the AI generator has done a pretty good job of creating our activity, and I want you to come and try it. So please try it here on the demo site, or if you have Poodll Mini Lesson, try it on your own site.